Good morning from Miami. We are boarding the Carnival Horizon, heading out to Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. Come with us. Shrimp burrito from the Blue Iguana. And I got her chicken tacos at Blue Iguana, but I forgot to film it. That's what's left.
It's really good.
We are in a family harbor interior, and we just walked into the room. And guess what? We have our platinum cards. Yay! So this is a quick tour of the room. Little television, refrigerator, the water that we ordered, the vanity, the usual closets with the safe, drawers. There's some drawers, some hanging space, and the bathrooms. Your usual cruise type bathrooms. The only downside I'm seeing to this room is you only have 2 closets instead of 3 that you get on most ships. And then back over here we have Anna. Where are you? Having some mojitos. Cheers for our sail away, non-sail away party, because for the second trip in a row it's been moved inside because of rain, but it's not raining anymore, so but it's still inside. for sushi? We are at Bonsai Sushi. We're gonna get some sushi tonight. It's the first night here on the ship on the Horizon, and why not? Here we go. We got the sushi pieces. We got salmon. We got tuna, and we have hamachi, which is like a amberjack. We got the tempura roll over here, and then over here we have the bonsai roll. It's time to dig in on both of these. And last but not least, we have the spicy tuna roll.
Isn't it ironic? What do we do on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Where you going? Come back. Okay, bye, Felicia. He never learned to read or write so well, but he could play the guitar just like a ringing bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go. Come on, sing with me. Go, go, Johnny, go, go, Johnny, go. Alright, and you do the sexy pose for them. Yes, there we go, Lisa, there we go. Virgo's all the best. Virgo's all the best. Alright, guys, we are gonna sing happy birthday to Lisa. 1, 2, 3. Happy